I take you now to the state of Rajasthan because it is in Tonk where the protests have erupted after a Neta assaulted an SDM on duty at a polling booth. The cops in riot gear then reached and arrested Meena. Now, they tried arresting him earlier as well, but during the night, the supporters of Meena went on a full-on rampage in the area. So in the morning, a heavier deployment of the police arrived. Moments after the arrest, Meena's supporters again went on rampage, burning vehicles, and to maintain law and order, then the cops had to reach. Cops tried to arrest, we are told, Meena at least twice, but in turn, there were burnt vehicles and bikes as well, all of that was targeted. A background is that independent candidate and who's also now a rebel Congress Neta, Naresh Meena, was caught on camera slapping a magistrate, an SDM official who was overseeing election procedures at one of the polling booths in Tonk where the by-poll was going on. What led to that confrontation is not clear, but it raises a lot of question on the kind of behavior that this leader was showing.
सारे घटनाक्रम की जिम्मेदार जिला कलेक्टर है। इस गांव ने बहिष्कार किया था चुनाव का बहिष्कार इस गांव ने किया था। इनकी मांग थी वही हमें उनियारा उपखंड में थे, हमें हटाकर देवली उपखंड में जोड़ दिया और उनियारा हमसे 15 किलोमीटर पड़ता है, देवली हमसे 95 किलोमीटर पड़ता है। हमें वापस से उनियारा में जोड़ा जाए। बहिष्कार को लेकर हम बैठे थे। हमने गाँव की मांग थी भाई कलेक्टर यहाँ गाँव में आए। हमने कहा कलेक्टर को बुलाओ, कई बार कहा, कलेक्टर नहीं आई। लगभग 11-12 बजे हमें ये सूचना लगी कि एसडीएम जो यहाँ पे है, जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कन्हैयालाल चौधरी के इशारों पर काम कर रहा है, मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ, बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे। पुलिस अपना काम करेगी, पुलिस मेरा उसका काम करेगी, मैं मेरा काम करूंगा।
ये काम कल ही हो जाता तो इतना बवाल।
मैं तो तैयार था, कल भी तैयार था, लेकिन ये अपने एकड़े पे थे। पुलिस कल सुनना नहीं चाह रही थी। पुलिस एक तरफा कार्रवाई कर रही थी।
मारपीट हुई है गांव वालों के साथ, जितना पीटा गया है, गाड़ियां जलाई गई है,
उसमें न्यायिक जांच होनी चाहिए। मैं कोई सरेंडर नहीं कर रहा। नहीं
रोक नहीं रहे, ले जाइए आप,
उनकी मर्जी। मैं सरेंडर नहीं कर रहा, मैं सरेंडर नहीं करूंगा।
Well, the situation continues to remain tense out here in Tonk district. You can see how the tire has been burnt out here. There is heavy presence of police, and the police is trying to ensure that somehow the entire ruckus is resolved. There is a confrontation, direct confrontation between the police personnel and the villagers that have taken place in this Tonk district of Rajasthan. This is the aftermath of Naresh Meena being arrested by the district police. You can see how all of these police personnel are involved in ensuring that the tire that was burnt, the flames are somehow doused, and all of these police personnel who are standing out here, who have arrived out here, they believe that, you know, right now the situation is quite volatile. Members of the state police task force and of Rajasthan police are out here and have been trying to ensure that somehow the situation does not get further out of control. There are heavy cement slabs which have been put out here to ensure that the area is blocked, but the police has arrived in large numbers out here. There are tear gas shells that have been put out by the state police, and out here there is a heavy presence of police out here. You can see how there are iron rod, there are apart from tires that were burnt out here, several of the villagers had tried to lay a siege in this area.